Meet Brandon Chikoski, a 27-year-old entrepreneur who launched a unique service called Brad Logo, turning his bad head into a billboard for businesses willing to pay him $320 per day and walking around Austin, Texas to get as much exposure as possible. Brandon lost most of his hair at a very young age. According to him, I didn't choose to be bad. I thought I would bring bad and beautiful back. Brandon redefined the concept of turning a challenge into an opportunity. Brandon decided to make the most of his situation and founded Bad Logo, a unique advertising service in Austin, Texas. Rather than seeing his bad head as a setback, Brandon saw it as a canvas for creativity. He uses his head as an actual business. His innovative business lets companies pay $320 per day to have their logos temporarily tattooed on his or one of his team members' heads. Brandon and his team will then hit the streets of Austin, spending 6 hours a day making sure that the logos get noticed. Since launching Bad Logo, Brandon has been flooded with inquiries from businesses eager to take advantage of this eye-catching advertising method. The temporary tattoos are designed to withstand any weather, ensuring maximum exposure for their clients. Branding story is a perfect example of how to turn your life's unexpected challenges into opportunities by embracing this badness and bringing bad and beautiful back into the spotlight. He has not only created a successful business but also inspired a lot of others to think outside the box. Ready to turn your challenges into an opportunity? Take a lesson from Brandon's book and start making your lemonade today. I'll see you some other time.